Can.
They taste like the can? What are they?
Green beans out of the can. And they taste like can.
They don't taste like good green beans, do they? No. I don't like ones from the can either.
My daddy made better
Well, if they're fresh, they taste better.
ones. Yeah.
Do you like peas from a can?
Peas, yeah.
You do? They're that same yucky brown-green color. And they're mushy.
Oh, no.
You don't like those either, do you?
I put the movie on again.
Tell me about the peas, though, from a can. Are they good?
Not.
Yucky. What about corn from a can? Is that good?
Uh-huh. Do all of them have a yucky taste from the can?
Not all of them. The corn's okay, I think. It doesn't taste the same, though.
So you're moving on, please.
Okay, since you said please.